Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my day off and I figured I would do like a vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a minute, so yeah, I just figured I would do a vlog. I'm not really doing like I don't know, just watch the video. I'm gonna do a couple errands. So I started my car and I'm just gonna change really quick. I'm not doing my hair. I'm not gonna do really any makeup per se, because not like, you know, like I'm just doing some errands. I don't really care per se, but I am gonna change. I can't go out wearing my PJs. Like, we gotta do better than that. So guys, we listen and we don't judge, okay? We listen and we don't judge. I'm going out with my bonnet because today is wash day and my hair is in shambles and I still need to go out. So like, I'm not just gonna go out with my hair in a shamble. I'm just wear a bonnet. Okay, so allow it. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. We gotta do what we gotta do. But everything else I'm wearing is good. Okay, it's good. Anywho, let's go. Okay, so got a couple of things. I'm just gonna go to Dollarama. I just want to see if I can get some like storage items. I'm trying to organize the closet in my bathroom, as well as my makeup stuff. Like, yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can find some organizers, and yeah.